Use I2 to visualize and analyze complex healthcare investigations. We'll begin our analysis by drawing a visual query to search for all doctors associated with an irregular number of clinics over the past year. 55 doctors are quickly found and can be easily visualized for analysis. This chart shows those 55 doctors linked to the multiple clinics they are associated with, showing extensive interconnections through shared clinics. Social network analysis algorithms can help quickly identify the doctors and clinics who are most central in this larger network. This chiropractic clinic has the highest centrality measures among the hundreds in this dense network, so we'll bring it to a new chart for deeper analysis. This large chart shows that clinic, along with all the patients, doctors, claims, and other clinics associated with it. Using I2's multi-dimensional analysis tools, we can untangle this extensive network to identify the tighter cluster of the most interconnected clinics, doctors, and patients that are binding this network together. Or, returning to the initial chart, we could also identify the doctors who are most central in the large network. We'll now isolate this doctor's activity for analysis by visualizing just his smaller network of interconnections. This chart shows all the clinics that this doctor is associated with, along with other doctors and patients with multiple connections to this smaller network. We'll now add all the related claims and billing details to start looking for specific evidence of fraud. As a few thousand billing transactions have now been added to this chart, shown as green links, we can use I2's filters and histograms to examine the details of the billing records. The dates of service of the billing records are visualized below as an interactive histogram, making it easy to identify spikes and patterns. I2's powerful analytical solutions enable analysts to proactively identify these potentially fraudulent claims for investigation. By leveraging the visualization of multiple levels of interconnections across claims, fraudulent patterns of activity indicative of organized fraud are easily identified. In this case, we've examined CPT codes to identify a patient who is in two separate injury accidents, yet is receiving exactly the same treatment from two different providers. I2 Healthcare Fraud Analysis.